Your driveway is the very first thing people see before they even reach your front door. And yet, most homeowners spend zero time thinking about it. Today, we're breaking down every major driveway option out there: concrete, pavers, gravel, and asphalt, so you can pick the one that actually boosts your curb appeal, fits your budget, and lasts for years. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which driveway is right for your home.
Welcome you to Architecture Inspiration X, where we share the best ideas and tips for your outdoor and indoor living space. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos which we have planned after this video.
Did you know the material you choose for your driveway can actually increase or decrease your home's resale value? Realtors will tell you buyers judge a home within the first 8 seconds of pulling up. A cracked, stained, or outdated driveway can silently kill that first impression before they even step inside. On the flip side, the right driveway upgrade can make your home look thousands of dollars more valuable instantly. So, which material actually pays you back the most? Let's find out. Drop a comment down below telling us which driveway style you're currently dreaming about. We read every single one. Can you actually combine multiple driveway materials together for a more unique, high-end look? Mixing materials is one of the biggest curb appeal trends professional designers are using right now. Done wrong, it looks messy and mismatched. Done right, it looks custom and expensive. There's a simple formula designers use that most homeowners have never heard of. Once you understand it, you can apply it to your own driveway with confidence. We're breaking down that exact formula step by step. Hit subscribe and ring that notification bell so you catch every new home improvement idea we release. What if the ugliest part of your house isn't your paint color, your landscaping, or your front door, but the cracked, faded slab you drive over every single day. Most homeowners obsess over interior design and forget the one surface that greets every visitor first. Your driveway sets the tone before anyone even rings the doorbell. Stick around, because we're about to change how you see your driveway forever. If you're serious about upgrading your home's exterior, hit that subscribe button right now. We drop practical, no-fluff home improvement videos every single week. Have you ever wondered why some driveways stay pristine for 20 years, while others crack within just a couple of seasons? It's rarely random luck. It almost always comes down to material choice, installation quality, and climate matching. The wrong driveway for your region can lead to constant repairs, ugly patch jobs, and wasted money. The right one, though, can practically maintain itself for decades with minimal upkeep. We're going to show you exactly how to avoid the costly mistakes most people make. Give this video a thumbs up if you're planning any kind of exterior upgrade this year. It genuinely helps this content reach more people like you. What's the actual price difference between concrete, pavers, gravel, and asphalt? And is the cheapest option always the smartest choice? Spoiler alert, the lowest upfront cost doesn't always mean the lowest overall cost. Some materials are cheap to install, but expensive to maintain year after year. Others cost more initially, but practically never need touching again. Understanding this trade-off could save you thousands of dollars over the life of your driveway. We're breaking down the real numbers so you can budget smart, not just cheap. Share this video with a friend or family member who's currently renovating their home. They'll thank you later. Can a gravel driveway actually boost curb appeal, or does it just make your home look unfinished? Gravel gets a bad reputation, but modern gravel driveways look nothing like the messy ones from decades ago. With the right edging, color, and layout, gravel can look rustic, elegant, and intentional. But there are also downsides that could turn your dream driveway into a maintenance headache. We're going to show you exactly when gravel works and when it definitely doesn't. This might completely change your opinion on gravel driveways. Save this video so you can come back to it later when you're ready to start planning your project. Which driveway material actually performs best in extreme weather? Scorching summers, freezing winters, or heavy rainfall? Not every driveway surface is built to handle every climate the same way. Some materials crack under freeze-thaw cycles, while others buckle under intense heat. Getting this right means fewer repairs, less stress, and a driveway that actually lasts. Let's make sure you never make that expensive mistake. Turn on notifications so you never miss a video like this one. We're constantly covering practical home upgrade topics. What's the one design mistake that instantly makes even an expensive driveway look cheap? It's not the material. It's not even the color. It's something almost every homeowner overlooks completely. This single mistake can undo thousands of dollars of investment in seconds. Once you know what it is, you'll start noticing it on driveways everywhere. We're revealing exactly what it is later in this video. If this video is helping you plan your project, consider subscribing. It keeps this channel making more content like it. Why do so many homeowners regret choosing asphalt driveways within just a few years of installation? Asphalt is one of the most affordable options, but that low price often comes with hidden trade-offs. Sealing, cracking, and lifespan issues catch a lot of people off guard after the fact. But under the right conditions, asphalt can actually be an incredibly smart and practical choice. We're laying out everything you need to know so there are no surprises later. Comment below with any questions you have. We personally reply to as many as we can. how much maintenance does each driveway type actually require once it's installed? And which one demands the least effort? Nobody wants to spend every weekend maintaining their driveway just to keep it looking decent. Some materials need sealing, some need weeding, and some need almost nothing at all. Choosing based on your lifestyle and free time is just as important as choosing based on looks. Getting this wrong means years of unnecessary upkeep you didn't sign up for. We're ranking every option from most maintenance to least. If you're watching this while planning a renovation, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear about your project. If you could only pick one driveway upgrade this year to instantly transform your home's curb appeal, which one should it actually be? After everything we've covered, there's usually one option that fits most homes, most budgets, and most climates the best. But the best choice isn't universal. It depends on a few key factors specific to your property. We're gonna help you figure out exactly which factors matter most for your situation. By the end, you'll walk away with total clarity instead of more confusion. Let's finally answer the big question this entire video has been building toward. If you've made it this far, you clearly care about your home, so do yourself a favor and subscribe before you go. So let's circle back to where we started. Your driveway really is the silent first impression of your entire home, and now you know exactly why. Concrete offers clean, modern durability at a moderate price point. Pavers bring unmatched style and flexibility, but come with a higher upfront investment. Gravel delivers rustic charm and affordability, as long as you're willing to handle occasional upkeep. And asphalt remains one of the most budget-friendly options, especially in colder climates, as long as you stay on top of sealing. There's no single best driveway for everyone. There's only the best driveway for your home, your climate, your budget, and your lifestyle. Now that you understand the strengths and weaknesses of each material, you're equipped to make a decision you won't regret in 5 years. If this video helped bring some clarity to your driveway decision, that's exactly what we set out to do. Take what you've learned here, walk outside, look at your driveway with fresh eyes, and start imagining what it could become. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. If you found value in this, subscribe, drop a comment with your thoughts, and share it with someone who's about to start their own home improvement journey. We'll see you in the next one.